We want to go right to Katu's Thanvi Verma. And Thanvi, those lawmakers say Merlos' children are facing significant hardship now.
That's what they're saying, Steve. So Jackie Merlos has 4 small children, and just recently, the children's father was deported. That's according to the lawmakers. So right now, the kids who are United States citizens are not in the care of either of their parents. Congresswoman Maxine Dexter, alongside 3 other lawmakers, Senators Ron Wyden, Jeff Merkley, and Congresswoman Suzanne Bonamici, urging Immigration's Customs Enforcement to release Jackie Merlos from the Northwest ICE Processing Center in Tacoma. At a congressional hearing last month, Congresswoman Dexter shared how she got involved with Merlos' case.
Jackie and Carlos Merlos are beloved members of our Portland community. It was a member of the community who's a friend who reached out and said, did you know that these members, we can't find them. We don't know where they are. Can you help us? And that literally is how we became connected.
According to advocates at the National Immigration Law Center, a judge recently found that Merlos was lawfully in the country.
So the immigration judge ruled last week that her case should be terminated or ended because there's no legal basis for her detention or deportation. And that's because she has this pending U visa, which is a visa that's available for survivors of crime who cooperated with the police or law enforcement in some way.
Advocates say they're also concerned about Merlos' due process. In court documents from mid-July, a judge said Merlos had not been able to, quote, communicate with counsel, or that her counsel had not been able to get reliable information on Merlos' whereabouts, adding there's no indication that petitioner has been convicted of any crime. On Wednesday, we reached out to ICE and DHS 4 different times about her detention. We tried to get an on-camera interview, and I asked a slew of questions like why she was detained given that she was in this country legally. We also laid out several of the allegations being made by advocates, and we asked for a response. We didn't hear back in time for our deadline. We also reached out to Republican Representative Cliff Bentz because we wanted to see what his thoughts were on this letter. We did not hear back.